No limit. Here we go. Going around here. Lane filtering. That's more like lane splitting. Oh, it just had somebody do that to me. That's a no bueno situation. Was not situationally aware. Easily get cut up by that guardrail. That's a no buenos. Here we go. A Dutch four-stroker. Oh, side of the vehicle and sun in the eyes. We're going to find an escape path. Got ourselves out of there. Boom, boom, boom. Done, done, done. Move on with our day. Maybe a little bit of squirt out of the butt. Here we go. Mr. Smooth with it. Here we go. Ooh, lane filtering. Good job with a little bit of a braking. Don't rev bomb. Rev bombing's kind of a no buenos. You don't want to do that. All right, Fernando Freitas Leste de Minas. Here we go. Going through here. Going a little bit fast. We're going wide. Scraping pegs. Panicked a little bit. Ooh. Oh. Did we have any indication of how sharp that turn is before we entered the turn? Is there any indication? I mean, did we know it was coming up? Oh, we're pushing that too far. There's the scrapage, a little bit of metal slice off the pegs. Now we're going off. What kind of mechanism do we have here? Oh man, we're gonna get age restricted on this one. Oh man, every mechanism. Ay. What do you think we should be doing, everybody? We should be rescuing this rider. Make sure you guys grab yourself a rescue pack. 10% off the store right now. Stop those major bleeds. He's probably going to have something. He's going to have something. Ay. Oh, he almost ran him over. He's not getting up. Oh, slow down traffic. That's where looking for hazards, ensure your own safety. Pull over.
Calma, velho, calma. Calma, vai dar. Eu só vou sinalizar aqui, mas calma. Não tenta mexer, não. Não tenta mexer, não.
Yeah, you gotta watch traffic, ensure your own safety. There's not much you could do outside of not letting him get hit. Oh, yeah. Saldine 247. Uh-oh, something's happening here. We got somebody braking for no reason. He decided to cut him off. Kind of a dumb move. They have their hazards on. They're probably pulling over, doing something. Ay. Hey, it's like me lane filtering with the frickin' Indian Challenger. All right. This is a Honda, right? The Goldwing. Ooh, great job with the progressive brake. Whoa. No. We give people what they're due. This is definitely going to be a smart rider. He seeks and recognizes we're lane filtering, doing the decent speed. Not a big deal at this point. Did a great job with the progressive brake pressure. Squeeze. Squeezing it, saw the hazard. Squeeze. Look at that hand. Look at that. Now, if he was hauling ass... Here we go. Oh, we're going a little bit fast on a road that's not the greatest, and it looks like it's cold out. And the bus. Hey, sometimes that happens. Got to get yourself out of there. Got himself in that escape path. Did a great job, dumb woofer. Did a good job.
Good.
Moto Noir, here we go. Going through here, side of the person. Watch out, the person changes. Yeah, there you go. Good job with the escape path. Got himself out of that situation. Moved out of the way. So if you can say, oh, geez, if you could say all that, then you could swerve.
Wow.
All right, here we go. Rin Blaze. Watch out. Okay, we got headlights. Uncommon thing. Headlights are in front of us. That means that person was crossing. Did a great job. Was situationally aware. Name the biggest hazard right here. Take a look. Name the biggest hazard. Write it in the comments. Here we go. Moving through here. Wear some gear, everybody. Side of the vehicle, side of the vehicle, side of the vehicle. Orange stage because it's an intersection. Ooh, coming out. Good job with the swerve, though. Good job with the swerve. Sun in the eyes. That was too much sun. Good job with the swerve. So we had to plan our ride a little bit better here, okay? So we're going to locate this hazard. It's going to be an orange stage situation. We talk about this in Unit 1, Lesson 2 or 3. No, Unit 1, Lesson 2, because we need to talk about all of these color codes that we talk about during the academy, which you want to go ahead and grab. It's only $4.99. So what we're going to be doing is going through here. We got to find our escape paths, okay? So we're coming through here. We find this person, and now we have to escape. We have to get ourselves out of here. We're going to move through here.
Okay.
Found himself out of there. Didn't rev bomb. Didn't just go straight into the side of the vehicle. Got himself out of there. It's a close call. It's something that we can work on because we're trying to be smart riders. We're going to seek and recognize that hazardous situation. All right, here we go. 604 MX film. We're going to launch it, and we're going to land it, and then we're going to hit a curb. What were we thinking?
Holy. Oh. Oh. Bro. Why? Why do I do this?
Merge issue. Are we going to have a merge issue right here? Yep. Merge issue. Merge issue. Not a big deal. You see it all the time. Here we go. Phil, we're going through this area. It looks like California. Okay. Whoa, 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 whoa. You're not prepped and ready for that corner. There's a car coming. Got super lucky you even had an escape. Come on, dude. All right, move through here. So Jigsaw T, low-sided, lost a little bit of traction, but look at the gear that we have. Look at that. No, let's go back. We're sliding on our buttocks. We're wearing full leathers. Look at the bike. The bike is completely destroyed. There's the bike. And he's gonna look at his hands because he probably felt the thermal transfer from the ground into his hand. He probably felt a little bit of warmness, and he's like, oh shoot, what happened? And then he looks at his hand, nothing. There's no abrasions, but you can still get a burn, but it's gonna probably be like a little sunburn. It's a 1st degree burn, but it's not gonna be like a 2nd and 3rd degree road rash where it rips the flesh. So you got lucky. You got lucky. Whew. Make sure you guys wear gear. Lost traction. Probably was speeding, that's why there was not a lot of footage beforehand. Here we go, 2-wheel dom. So this is where you want to stunt. This is where you practice, less hazards, handled it well. Hey, this is a smart rider. Look at, you got gear, practicing in an area, in a parking lot. I don't care if you're trying to do it on 1 wheel or 2 wheels.
I can't remember to hit that damn brake.
Oh, there's the back. That's why you have gear.
That hurt. Oh, that one hurt.
It's probably call it a day on that one. All right, Jens Grunwald, going a little fast in the area. We get a sharp left turn coming up ahead. Can you handle it? Hopefully you don't low side. Ooh, I was kidding. I'd rather you low side than high side. Ooh. No buenos. Thankfully, he's got full gear and he's able to walk.